Okay, we're going to pick up with where we left off on task 4, step 7. We were in the dist directory before. We're going to need to come out of that directory, and we're going to need to go back into the script directory. In that script directory, there is a build and deploy script there. It'd be worth it to go in and review that script. Let me close it out over here. You need to make sure that this line here is matching your environment. We're in Ubuntu, so make sure that says Ubuntu. And also, you'll notice down here it's just doing the same steps we did in steps 3 and step 4, creating an archive, starting the network, and deploying to our business network. I'm going to go into deploy network.sh so I can show you what's going on in there. And deploy network.sh, let me go to the bottom. Here is the important one right here, or one of the important ones rather. Composer network start. Okay. That's one of the important ones, and the other one is the Composer network install. Okay, so make sure that those are formatted properly. And now let's do a build and deploy. We just made this script so we could automate the process and we didn't have to go through all of the steps that we did before. Okay, so this error right here is okay. Card already exists, that's fine. Shouldn't be any other errors, however. So we were able to ping the code on the network. That looks good. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish. Let's go back into the chapter 2 directory. Okay, now we want to run a Chaincode test. So I'm going to start with an npm install right here in chapter 2. Let me do a pwd. I'm going to do an npm install. That will take a second. Going to put all the required modules, the node modules, in the /node modules folder. Okay, once that's installed, let's go ahead and run a test. So we should be able to npm test, and it will pull the test file and execute the test. You may have to Control-C out of here after a few minutes. Let's go ahead and launch the REST server. Okay, so this is how you get there. Localhost :3000, Explorer. Okay, and so this should take you to the UI, and from here you can navigate the UI to complete the rest of the lab. Okay, thank you very much. And this concludes Lab 2.